So, what's your name and why are you here today?
Hello, my name is Charlie.
I'm Alex and I'm 16.
I'm Q and I'm 18.
I'm Claudia.
Joe Jonesy.
Mo.
My name's Aaliyah and I'm here because... Why am I here?
What have you got, Aaliyah?
Because I got this certificate.
I had an outstanding contribution to Cardiff Service, and then I had one for the Stay Strong course I did, and then a brand ambassador award too.
What did you get your awards for?
Brand ambassadors, first aid.
What did you get your awards for?
For going to youth club. I didn't actually get an award, I just realised. Oh.
My Duke of Edinburgh, bronze. I made a movie, so I got this one.
I'm part of the youth club Umbrella Allies, and I've just been awarded a certificate.
So Umbrella Allies is a group that meet up on a Wednesday in Eastmoors Community Centre. It's for young people who identify as LGBTQ+, but also allies, so anyone who wants to make new friends and come down.
What does it mean to you to be here today?
It was a really great opportunity, and this is also the first certificate I have my preferred name on, so I'm really happy.
How did you feel when you won your certificate award?
I felt proud. Being 17 as well, being a young person myself, I'm very proud, yeah.
I think this event is fantastic, recognising the achievement of young people like yourselves, the hard work you put in.
What's your opinion on this event?
Sick.
Amazing.
Wonderful, I had a blast.
Thomas made it the best night ever.
We need to give young people a voice on issues that affect their lives. So any time we can speak to young